Good morning. Actually, those who want to know what is actual procedure for SARFAESI, what all are the relevant procedure, how the money is being recovered by the bank. This SARFAESI Act, Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest Act, that is SARFAESI Act, is nothing but 69 A of the Transfer of Property Act, which was amended, facilitating the mortgages to recover, to foreclose the mortgage amount. It's a very same procedure, but a special law giving importance, appointing tribunals, and not appointing an appellate tribunal, again allowing them to approach the High Court. See here, the AR 2022 Supreme Court 545. Aero Polymer Private Limited was Alpine Pharmaceutical Private Limited. Actually, what had happened, uh, when you have some rights, if you have not exercised that right, and subsequently if you want claim that those rights were denied, that is not correct. That is what is. Moreover, stopped from challenging violation of Section 13(3)(a). That is most important. Bank gave sufficient time to borrower to regularize his account, but that was not done by him. Then you see, thereafter the important provisions, property was sold, the tribunal passed favorable order, but High Court intervened and set aside the action sale on the ground that no proper procedure followed. Then the Supreme Court said, no, he did not exercise his rights which were available. Therefore, he cannot subsequently claim the right. All these things are a matter for consideration on every cases. So you have to see how the actions were taken. It's at paragraph, I think, from paragraph 5, the all procedures have been mentioned, what to do, what not to follow, all these things, how the procedures are. Those who wanted to know about this SARFAESI go through the judgment. Only to that extent. Then another question, an important advice, that whenever we file anticipatory bail applications, normally we file anticipatory bail applications, the state represents that the accused was arrested, then automatically the judges used to dismiss the anticipatory bail petitions. But actually we can still claim bail, because this 437, 436 and 439. 439 is a special power to the Sessions Court, inheriting from 437 and 437, 436. Therefore, all the provisions incorporated in 436 and 437 is also available at 439. So once so it is far better at the time of filing anticipatory bail petition, you can simply file 438, at least not in the caption. In between you can say that the anticipatory bail petition filed under section 438, 436 and 437 CRPC. Then what happens, it is not necessary that anticipatory bail, when claimed, if the state reports that he was arrested, that is sufficient. The court to consider the facts, whether those facts are within the parameter of Arnesh Kumar case, that the unnecessary arrest and unnecessary remand was possible, then they can grant bail, because mere report of arrest and detention at the police station, detention itself is sufficient for releasing bail. It's not necessary that the accused be remanded. That if an occasion comes, I will try. You can very well try. This is what had happened in Minister Jayakumar case. Actually, the media says that it was the bail petition dismissed. It was actually not bail petition dismissed. I think, according to my knowledge, it was an anticipatory bail was filed before the Sessions Court, apprehending arrest in that Adambakam police station crime number. Then it was dismissed because he was shown arrest and remanded because the early morning he was produced. Still, the anticipatory bail petition may be treated as bail petition under 437 or read with 439. That is all right matter for academic interest. Ahead step because the unnecessary restraint by filing a highly belated complaint curtailing the fundamental rights. When High Court showed indulgence in granting bail and directing him to reside far away from this Chennai, all these aspects would have been argued before the. So this is only my advice. Don't take it otherwise. The counsels on record who have argued the matter or dealing with the matter. So just a consultation between us. Best wishes.